My topic is on sentimental analysis of products on customer feedback using machine learning. First, let us understand what is sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis is the process of computationally identifying and categorizing opinions expressed in a piece of text or emojis, especially in order to determine whether the customer attitude towards a particular product is positive, negative, or neutral. Introduction. Extracting the public opinion through the emojis from various products through computational methods and analyzing becoming trending research study these days. Sentimental analysis is the process of determining whether an emotions is positive, negative, or neutral. It helps data analysts within large enterprises to determine public opinion, conduct varied market research, and understand customer experiences. Customer experience is a key to business success. Now it's key for companies to pay a close attention to the voice of customer to improve the customer experience. By analyzing and understanding from the customer feedback, companies have better information to make strategic decisions and accurate understanding of what the customer actually wants, and as a result a better experience for everyone. When it comes to understanding customer feedback, sentimental analysis is emerging as a viable tool for any business. Sentimental analysis algorithms are being used to make sense of customer feedback. With the right medium of capturing product, marketing companies can gain deeper understandings into customer opinion and boost their sales and revenues. Number of reviews associated with a product is increasing at an alarming rate, which is no less than handling the big data, classifying the reviews on the basis of sentiment of customers into positive, neutral, and negative sentiment provides sentiment orientation of the review, hence results in better judgment. Segregation of reviews on the basis of the sentiment can help future buyers to evaluate the tweet's feedback constructively and reach at better decisions as per their requirements. Adoption of technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning that can accurately perform sentimental analysis on wide range of data sources. This is an image of sentimental analysis. By looking this image, we can easily identify its mode of an each emoji of sentimental analysis. First, emoji describes the negative part where we can tell that the product or brand is totally dissatisfied with the service, worst customer care ever, or we can tell that the product is bad and the customer felt sad for that particular product. Next, it is showing the neutral emoji where the customer felt better product of service or good job, but I will expect a lot more in future. The next one indicating is of positive emoji where the customer felt very good on the product, stating as brilliant effort, I loved your work. Like this, something we can state for any other products. I have taken here for only three sentiments or emojis as I consider as a part of expressing the thoughts or ideas from the customer. Objectives: to investigate emotional recognition using facial expression by emoji in real time, to develop the parameters of measuring the facial expression by emoji texting, to understand the facial emotion recognition in real time. Facial expressions are investigated to realize the real impact of the emoji. The main goal of this is to implement the recognition of the facial emotion for real time with the highlighted emoji indicator for the identification of expressions. Such expressions are happy, neutral, or sad, etc. Understanding expressions are important because they give a lot of information regarding behavior and moods of people. Through expressions, one can know what is going inside the person's mind. The expressions are the actual predictor of human behavior and personality and how it can be handled. Area of the project: we can classify the sentiment analysis based on techniques used, structures of dataset, and level of rating, etc. From techniques, we can divide to machine learning, rule based, and lexicon based. In machine learning, dataset are to be trained beforehand using standard machine algorithms. Polarities are detected. We use text mining, natural language processing, and machine learning as combined. Methodology: The area of focus is on how a machine learning algorithm uses supervised learning techniques to perform sentimental analysis on data that is either collected and stored in a separate files or retrieved online. The supervised learning algorithms are trained with the labeled examples like an input for which the output expected is known. Set of inputs with the corresponding correct outputs are supplied to the learning algorithm, and the algorithm learns by comparing its correct output with the actual outputs to find errors. Then it modifies the model accordingly. Using methods such as classification, regression, prediction, and gradient enhancement, assisted learning is often used in applications to classify feelings as positive, negative, or neutral. The methodology involves major steps to classify the emojis, polarize the emojis, and aggregate the polarities. Those are extracting emojis, training, prediction, text mining, aggregation, final classification. This figure is system block diagram. In this block diagram, firstly, the product data, we can tell that the data is stored in a comma separated values or tweets of emojis files, and it is retrieved online. In second, the data preparation is done making the data ready, which can be retrieved from the algorithms called machine learning algorithms. Example: linear regression, decision tree, SVM, Navy bias. At last, machine learning tools is applied on the data algorithm using the different techniques called machine learning techniques. Methodology includes some following steps. They are collecting the data, data labeling approaches, pre-processing, feature extraction. The individual point is used to collect the overall polarity. After calculating the polarity corresponding to each review, different subsets of positive, neutral, and negative sentiments are formed, having the polarity ranked accordingly. The subsets so obtained are combined together in a CSV file along with the positive, neutral, negative tags of emojis. A statistical classifier that maps input feature vectors to output class labels. For a set of training D, each row is represented by an n-dimensional feature vector x. X is equal to x1, x2, so on xn. There are k classes k1, k2, so on km in the output class label. The equation states that x belongs to ki if and only if p of ki or x is greater than p of kj or x and I is not equal to j. SVM is used for a labeled training data that categorizes testing dataset using an optimal hyperplane. A hierarchical tree structure encompassing decision nodes for representing attributes and edges for denoting attribute values. This representation in the form of a tree allows to construct decision rules that classify new instances of the data. This is the model design or methodology. Model design is a designing approach that splits a larger system in smaller parts known as modules. Training data contains set of attributes and its instances which are given as input to classification algorithm to train model. Test data. Test data is a data set used to test a trained model which is in the similar form as that of training data. Pre-processing. Initializing the data by performing specific tasks and make the data ready in order to process further. Feature extractor uses technique to draw the important features possessed by the tweet. Features. Features are the important numerical facts and figures drawn by the extractor. Classifier model. Classifier the features extracted using classification algorithm. This shows sentiment labels can take one of three ordered values: negative, neutral, positive. Negative will be less than neutral, neutral will be less than positive. First of an emoji, we form a discrete probability distribution as it is shown. We define a cumulative distribution function of rank capital R over a set of ranked emojis as we use here a cumulative distribution function as it is shown, where R denotes the rank of an emoji and n of R the number of occurrences of the emoji at rank R. This is the emoji sentiment lexicon. For each emoji, they have ranked and positioned orderly as positive, neutral, and negative with the indication. As it is shown, it is a data set as they have taken 10 emojis are ordered by the number of occurrences n. This graph is between sentiment score and different emojis. As we can consider, we show the sentiment distribution of the different emojis regardless of their frequencies. It is evident that the sentiment score of the emoji is approximately normally distributed with mean, that is plus 0.3. Prevailingly, it is positive. By this graph, they are calculating mean sentiment score. This graph shows the linear regression of machine learning algorithm, where the first graph indicates the negative versus position, next neutrality versus position, and positivity versus position. The graph indicates the sentiment of the emoji. We decompose the sentiment into its three constituent components and show the regression trend lines. These are the three linear regression functions. D represents the distance from the beginning of the tweets. The functions do not fit the data very well, but they give some useful insight. At any distance d and for any subset of emojis, the component probabilities add up to 1. That is, summation probability of d is equal to 1. However, the negativity and positivity increase with the distance, whereas the neutrality decreases. This means that more emotionally loaded emojis, either negative or positive, tend to occur towards end of the tweets. These are some machine learning techniques for the emojis. As we know, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement, and in that there are sub classifications as we see here. Benefits to the organization. Collecting and analyzing customer feedback has a number of benefits. Customer feedback benefits to the product managers, customer service teams, analysts, marketers, and pretty much anybody in the organization. Customer feedback is important for future product development, improving the customer experience and overall customer satisfaction levels. A support team will want to know if their service experience was helpful, and a product team might need help prioritizing what to build next. Future scope. In the future, the work can be extended to perform multi-class classification of reviews, which will provide delineated nature of review to the customer, hence better judgment of the product. This will provide users with reliable rating, because sometimes the rating received by the product and the sentiment of the review do not provide justice to each other. The proposed extension of work will be very beneficial for the e-commerce industry, as it will augment user satisfaction and trust. The current machine learning technique can be replaced with more powerful methods or algorithms to compute, analyze, and predict the results much faster and accurate with the minimum error rate. Conclusion. An evolutionary shift from offline markets to digital markets has increased the dependency of customers on online reviews to a great extension. Online reviews have become a platform for building trust and influencing customer buying patterns. With such dependency, there is a need to handle such a large volume of reviews and present credible reviews before the customer. The aim is to achieve this by conducting sentimental analysis of mobile phones reviews and classify the reviews into positive, neutral, and negative sentiment. After balancing the data with almost equal ratio of tweets, three classification models have been used to classify reviews. Support vector machines is found to be best and the accuracy is valid among three models. These are the references which I have referred from. Thank you.